Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, I'm Dr. Nasir Mahmood, and you are watching the Linguistics Hub. Do your hands start shaking, your heart beat faster, and your voice disappear when you are asked to speak before the people? In fact, many people feel the same way because public speaking is one of the greatest fears in the world. Yes, even more than spiders or heights. But don't worry, you can beat this, and I'm here to show you how. In our last video, we talked about how to master English conversation. And if you haven't seen it so far, I highly recommend you check it out because mastering conversation is the first step, and this video is the next leap. Removing your fear and speaking with confidence in front of the public. So don't go anywhere because you will actually do a small speaking activity with me right here in the comments. Okay? Are you ready? Let's do this because I want you to overcome your fear and find your voice. Now, let's start with a big question, and that is why are we so afraid of speaking in public? It's not because we don't know what to say, it's because we are afraid of what people will think. We fear making mistakes, we fear being judged, we fear forgetting our words, freezing, and looking silly. But the fact is, everyone makes mistakes. Even the best speakers forget lines. And most importantly, no one is judging you as harshly as you are judging yourself. Let's have a quick check. Have you ever seen someone mess up and thought, wow, what a failure? Probably not. So remind yourself that the audience is not your enemy. They want you to succeed. Now, let me give you 3 powerful mindset shifts that changed everything for me and probably for many others. Number 1, perfection is the myth. So stop trying to be perfect and to be real. Real people connect and perfect people bore. Number 2, when you shift the focus from what will they think of me to what value can I give them, the fear starts to fade. Number 3, imagine just one friendly person in the crowd. Talk, but don't stop. Make eye contact. Smile. And suddenly it looks like a conversation and not a performance. Now let's get practical and talk about some simple, small steps to train your public muscles. Firstly, speak up in class and meetings or even while ordering food. Confidence grow from small wins. Secondly, record yourself. Use your phone, talk for 2 minutes about your favorite play, watch it back. You will learn more than a textbook. Thirdly, look for online forums, local speaking clubs, or even mini WhatsApp group with friends. And last but not the least, don't forget to practice in front of the mirror. Smile, gesture, and pause. Slowly and gradually, you will see yourself a confident English speaker. And remember, every speaker that you admire today stood exactly where you are standing today. Scared and shaky, but they didn't stop, and neither should you. All right, ready? It's time for a small activity, and I want you to take the first step right now. Drop a short comment saying Assalamu alaikum, mention your name, and I want to become a confident English speaker. Say it aloud in your heart while you are typing it because you are making commitment with yourself. If you like this, do share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.